Oh, yeah, I see it again. And I can do another video.
James taking the first 2-7 down the third. Kelly Brown, match by 15 kills for her outside the danger of 6-5. Later on, Lauren Spencer, she chips in 7 kills for the next 34-7 James sweeps Vegas with 3-0. And Vegas with the 2 feet away. Great win inside of St. John's. Final second down for the
I gotta take a sudden round around to the whiskey all the way. It's that mountain, this guy river, this guy ocean, this guy river down. You're gonna miss me when I'm gone, when I'm gone, when I'm gone. We are never, ever, ever getting back together. We are never, ever, ever getting back together like ever.
Fun outdoors. Americans are great at it. Getting to where we have the fun, we're great at that too. At Plaza View GMC's kickoff event, you'll find just what you need to bring your family, friends, your gear, and pets to the places you love at the prices you'll love. Like this 2014 Buick Encore for $249 a month with 0 down, or this 2014 GMC Terrain for only $239 a month with 0 down. Shop indoors in comfort at the Midwest's largest indoor auto mall, Plaza View GMC. Are you watching a movie?
No, just setting the DVR to record your favorite show.
Don't get caught missing a moment of the action. CenturyLink Prism TV lets you watch top entertainment and schedule recordings all from your tablet or smartphone, which makes Prism a thrilling alternative to cable. Call and switch today.
Now is the time to drive home a great deal Ford from Performance Ford. Save thousands now on a new F-150 dirt truck with the Performance Ford. Plus, get 0% for up to 72 months on all new in-stock Fords. Get the $13,000 on BMW 2013 F-150 Super Coupe FX4 4x4. New 2014 Super Coupe XLT 4x4 lease for $199 a month. New 2014 Fusion SE lease for $119 a month. Performance Ford off 144th Street at the South Brothers exit. Ellen's favorite short guy is back. And the apparently kid returns.
The best hour of your life. I'm going to predict that right now.
KTTV News Watch 7 at 5.
Hi, guys. Is it okay?
When you saw him feel that it's too much time.
We're coming home.
What happened?
I came back. Just like you, Grandma.
That thing, people coming back. Instead, it's just been so scared. What did you do? I'm getting knowledge that what's going on.
Resurrection season premiere tonight on ABC.
Well, driving may be the better option because this first stretch of the fall season has been a stormy one for air travelers across the country. Mother Nature spoiling many people's weekend plans, whether they stayed at home or worked on to travel. NBC's Tom Yamas has our coverage of the National News Watch tonight.
A streak of nasty weather swept through the Southwest.
Oh my God, one of the trees fell off.
This grandmother is now homeless and lucky to be alive after heavy rains sent her roof crashing down as she slept, burying her dog in the debris. She had just enough time to save her best friend before everything caved in.
It looks like we're in Kansas. And, where's Toto and Dorothy?
Torrential downpours and whipping winds toppled more than a dozen power poles.
The good thing is everything fell into the streets.
Thousands lost electricity.
Light flickered and then went out after that.
This outdoor music festival was another storm casualty. Rain routed bands. As the performers,
Rain started pouring. We were just grabbing all of our instruments. We pulled off our
shoelaces, and we were tying this tent together that had all of our gear in it. And we were tying the sides together so all the water would flow in because it was raining sideways.
The Russian runoff swept away one of this woman's sandals. At Sky Harbor Airport, storm winds ripped the roof off one of the terminals. And that will add to the travel woes carried over from last week's arson fire at an FAA facility outside of Chicago. The ripple effect resulted in flight delays and cancellations nationwide. Long lines and short-tempered travelers were the norm again today at both O'Hare and Midway airports, where some 600 flights were canceled Sunday. No word when full service will be restored. Tom Yamas, ABC News, New York.
The Federal Aviation Administration says it is replacing the entire central computer network at a Chicago area control center that was involved in that incident on Friday. A man is facing felony charges for the disruption. Well, that's here in the metro. It's just a beautiful evening out there. Meteorologist Holly McCarthy returns with your evening weather planner and the outlook for the week ahead. All complete coverage is KETV News Watch 7. Join the Woodhouse team. Apply online at woodhouse.com.
Clarkson Desk Repair is graduates to be the best out there. I had 2 interviews coming out of nursing school. It was a huge asset to have been a Clarkson College student. I would choose Clarkson College.
Oh, man.
Hurry in for hot savings on these Hy-Vee hot deals and more. Hy-Vee flour, 99 cents. Banquet meals, 69 cents. Combine green grapes, 99 cents a pound. Nabisco snack crackers, $1.88. For just because bouquet, only $9.99. Plus get a 5-cent Hy-Vee Fuel Saver discount. And mix and match select meat items from the full-service meat kit. Buy for just $10. Plus get a 5-cent Hy-Vee Fuel Saver discount. Check out these Hy-Vee hot deals and more this week at Hy-Vee.
I'm Joni Ernst, and I approve this message because this is home. I grew up walking beans on our family farm. The church I grew up in is the church where our daughter was baptized. Hard work, love of country. This is where I learned America's greatness comes from people, not government. It's a long way from Red Oak to Washington, but I'm asking for your vote because I'll take our values there instead of the other way around. The quality of the faculty at Clarkson College, I feel, is second to none. Their number one goal is to make sure that you do really well, that you are a really good clinician. I'm very happy I went to Clarkson College.
Beautiful out there.
Oh, thank you. It's really a huge credit because this is really, truly great weather. I can't laugh at it, right? We look at Sunday.
The snow goes wild in the mountain now, out of footprints to dancing. I came in my isolation, and it looks like I'm the queen. The wind is howling like this world is storm inside. Gonna keep it in, heaven knows I try. So I've been in, no weapon, be the good girl you always have to be. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't let it go, let it go. You can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, turn away from the door. Dang, I'm still trying to work on that. Because I want to do work so bad. Let's go inside me. Okay. Bye.
It's here.